will fight because we are Filipino. And also, third, and not also even in our square ends
What?
land will be giving up to them.
Oh my
I mean,
God.
that's third. That's enough.
Buti rin nakapag-harvest na tayo dito sa amin, nakapag-harvest na kami, kakatanim lang so hindi, buti na lang yung timing, hindi yung bago aanin, nakapag-ani na tayo.
Oh my God.